Hello everyone. Welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, March the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic between those times. And the promo has been extended. It might be extended for a couple of days now. The 20% off, you'll see it in the email you're getting. Paddy, P-A-D-D-Y, all in caps, will get you 20% off the first month only, or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. And as always, if you do take out a subscription and you want to upgrade, if you do it within 30 days, you will get, we'll honor that promo code. Wow, guys. Okay, first of all, we're just coming off a market halt. The market did get halted for 15 minutes. It was down 7%. So the circuit breaker basically kicked in. I think it started around 12:56, 57 Eastern time, and it lasted till about 1:12. That's the 15 minutes. I was really hoping that maybe we could have at least one green day followed by another. So yesterday, yeah, we had the nice day yesterday. The market was up 1,000, but not even close. The market's down 1,800 as we speak. Now, my watch list performed incredibly well today, both on the upside and the downside. Just to go over a few of them, even on the upside, I mean, you wouldn't think that on the upside, but Apron, of course, has been on. Is this Blue Apron, if you know anything about them, food delivery service. If you look at them on a monthly chart, look where it's come. Let's do a weekly chart. That's a little less dramatic, but you'll see. Look at this. I mean, this is this week, guys. This is this week. This stock was around a $2 stock, and it hit almost $20. Okay. So what I was really concentrating on was this one, which had earnings. WTRH had earnings. I think 3 days ago. But the follow through in the pre-market. This is yesterday's pre-market. Looked pretty good, and then it really sold off. But this is something that's it's the same sector as is Blue Apron. And so I was really wanting to get into this one. And it took me a while because it was chopping up and down. But boy, once I pounced on it, I got in here. I took it at 118 and it got as high as 193. Now I took some out along the way. I took some out at 135 here. And then the balance up in this area here as it was really chopping around. I'm not in it anymore. However, I am looking for a break. Let's get back to a weekly chart. You'll see why. I'm looking for a break right up here of that 2 level. You can see that if it can take out 2, I mean, look at the gap it's got. So we never know. I mean, you look at Blue Apron and what it did. I'm not saying this is exactly like Blue Apron, but you just absolutely never know. And with the fear that is gripping people right now, and these home delivery services are certainly will flourish for a while anyway. I would get back to a 15-minute chart, but I do want to take a look at some of the other ones. Look at BMRA. This was in the pre-market. BMRA, there's the alert at $8. Got as high as 10.55. This was a pre-market move. Has something to do with the virus play. I believe something to do with they can send kits, testing blood samples. And anyway, I really didn't think it was going to do much, to be honest. We've seen this before, but man, oh man. So there's the alert at 8. There was the alert at 118. Got up to almost $2. NTGN didn't really do too much. In fact, it's starting to sink. The Visto, you had to be very quick. 869, and it got all the way up to 930. And we've already talked about the Apron. On the short side, incredible. I mean, look at CCL, 1065, got down to 787. These are, of course, a couple of the cruisers. NCLH, 917, down to 7. MFGP, which I actually took, believe it or not, I took as a bit of a long play right around here. I made big 7 cents on it, but 411 down to 356. crying in my soup in this one. 1283 down to 1875. I tried to get it a couple of times and I just couldn't get the fill that I wanted because of the uptick rule. And look at this. I mean, I could just keep going on and on. CNK. Now, this is one that hasn't really moved, but this one, Eli, fortunately, I'm out of it, all out of it. I was able to get that short at 636 and took some out at 616. And then as it came back up, I got out the rest. I thought maybe, okay, maybe it's going to start to bounce. Look at Eli now. So, I mean, I just keep, and I'm actually in this one, guys. The PGRE, I took just before the halt, not in at 717. I'm actually a little underwater. I think I'm in at 688, I think, 688. So I'm just waiting to see if this can break down further. Again, this is Paramount. You know, the movie business is going to be in complete disarray. So I'm just waiting to see if this can break down a little further. There's a part of me that really hates to take advantage of all these short plays. You know, I mean, it's betting against the economy, against a lot of things. But I don't know what to say. It is just, it's a time that, I mean, people are now worried about just eating. You know, I mean, I was saying in the room, to me, this is not like the financial crisis at all. Yes, that was devastating. And yes, people lost their homes and I get that. But I don't think, nobody had to worry about going to the supermarket and not seeing food stocked. So this is a different animal for me. But anyway, I do want to get back into the room. And I'm just going to put an alert down here at 687 for PGRE, see if it takes it out later on. All right. So who knows what tomorrow is going to bring? Maybe we'll have a bounce day. You never know. But it's not looking good long term. Obviously, it's just really not looking good long term. So I'll bring back the capture program, and if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. The link for the free room in the email you're getting. You'll still see that promo for 20% off. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye bye.